Thank you for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. It is Sunday, November 9th, 2025. We have a big time front. High concerns for flooding watching the Western Caribbean and Central America, in particular Honduras, for big rain totals. And then a huge cold blast that'll dive down to the south. And I want to highlight the low chance, very low chance of tropical development. Good news in that department to pass along. We'll zoom into that. So there's plenty of areas to cover. So thank you for your patience in this video and an update on some of the earthquake activity as well. Taking a look at through the what's going on through the Caribbean. We've had some spotty areas of rain already this morning through the day, parts of Puerto Rico, and then heavier rain Panama. This is going to lift to the north, keeping a very close eye on Honduras, where we could have some spots over 200 millimeters or 8 inches of rain over the next 3 days. And that is kind of combining with a front to the north. As a front drops in, it pulls up this moisture. That is the concern. Cayman Islands and Jamaica, I'll monitor how close some of the rain gets as we go over the next 2 days. It looks like through the Western Caribbean and Central America, that's where the rain is really going to be building the next few days. Now, can anything develop into something tropical? Water temperatures this time of year are still warm enough through the Caribbean. But again, I am not seeing signs of development. There's always a chance that we're still in the hurricane season of something trying to spin up, but it is a very low chance. Looking at the inside, kind of a behind the scenes look of the European model, this shows the chance of a tropical storm developing in the Western Caribbean at a very, very low to almost zero chance at this point. You see it here. This is almost a 0% chance right through here. So that again is good news to pass along. Now there's a little bit of chatter with some of this rain that's going to build of the chance of tropical development. I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing anything spinning up. I am concerned about the rain. So let me start with that and then show you what's going on to the north through the U.S. with that big front and parts of Canada as well. But watching out for some spotty rain. Barbados, St. Lucia, hit or miss. Jamaica for us, Haiti, Dominican Republic today, Puerto Rico. Watching the front here and watch what happens. Watch how this is tied together. It draws in that moisture. Front sinks to the south, lifts up the rain. So not only Honduras, but over toward Belize, even Guatemala, rain chance bumps up. Nicaragua, some heavy pockets of rain. Belize, I'll be watching carefully, watching the Yucatan of Mexico. You see this rain right in through here, but you see how it just kind of settles back through Honduras.